Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious tea latte. First, choose your favorite tea, whether it's a robust black tea, a delicate green, or a soothing herbal blend. Next, heat about 8 ounces of water to the correct temperature for your specific tea type. Then, steep your tea bag or loose leaves for 3 to 5 minutes to achieve the perfect strength. Once your tea is steeping, it's time to prepare the milk. Measure out about 6 ounces of your favorite milk, whether that's dairy or a plant-based alternative like oat or almond. Gently warm the milk on the stovetop or in the microwave until it's hot but not boiling. Then, use a frother, whisk, or even a French press to create a lovely, creamy foam. Now for the exciting part, assembling your tea latte. First, pour your freshly steeped tea into your favorite mug. Next, gently spoon the frothed milk on top, allowing the foam to sit proudly. If you like a sweeter drink, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey, maple syrup, or your preferred sweetener. Stir gently and enjoy the aroma. Making a tea latte is a wonderful way to enjoy a comforting drink. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tea types, milk alternatives, or even add a dash of cinnamon or nutmeg for extra flavor. The possibilities are endless. For more great tips and deals, including how to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.